Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV, the finest RV store in the world. To present to you this 2010 Baystar, and it has 33,000 miles on it. Very rare for us to get something in like this, but we're happy to get it, and I'd love to show it to you. Alright, so stepping into the coach, you can see that it has a lot of room. It's got a huge slide over on this side, a nice couch, beautiful colors. The dinette behind it is one that you have the chairs, and then the table does fold up and goes underneath the desk so you can use it for an office space, which is really convenient. Across the way you have the kitchen area, you got the microwave. It does have an oven and a 3-burner stove along with the Norcold refrigerator and freezer. And you do have a double sink with a little extension on your countertop. Boy, this is a great coach. Up front, I do see that the Samsung TV was updated right there. And it does have flex steel seating. This is a 362 horsepower Ford V10. And on the 2010 model. Does have the backup camera. This just has it all. Going into the back, you do have a queen size bed that goes out to the side, so it's an east-west bed, and it has a really nice window in the back so you can back up to the ocean and look out over the ocean, or you can see whatever viewing pleasure you have at the time. You have a TV to watch as you're going to sleep. You have a nice bathroom area that is all inclusive, and it's just got everything you would need. The flooring is easy cleanup, vinyl, and so you can have a pet and you don't have to worry about it getting all messed up. You go outside, and I'll tell you what, it's got more storage than you can even imagine. It's got a wonderful generator that powers this whole coach, which incidentally, because it is a Newmar, the insulation is extremely good. So it's hotter in the winter and it's cooler in the summer. This is a great coach for you folks. Well, I'll tell you what, as you can see, this is a great coach. If this coach interests you, or any of the coaches we have on our campus, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson. My number, 541-285-8791, or the Guaranty number at the bottom of your screen, and ask for Mark. Thank you.